Hey, what's up? I will show you now how we can use React with Webpack and Babel. And I will use this library for the UI so we can see our end result. To start, we need to install a package called babel-preset-react. This is similar to the preset that we already have for the JavaScript. This will compile JavaScript to other versions. This will deal with Webpack. And D for making it a development dependency like this. So I already did this, and also I will install React and rsuite. This is this package, and React DOM. And as you can see, I already did that. So to get started, we need to go to our Webpack config. We will do small changes here, which is very nice. So we will come here and add the preset that we installed, which is at babel/preset, then -react, and I want to include my CSS since I'm using React inside my JavaScript that I would write React in. So I'll remove this CSS extract mini plugin, and also I will just remove the whole plugins for now, and I will remove this loader and retain the loader that will inject the CSS inside the DOM, which is the style loader. And that's it for Webpack. We are good to go. Now let's go to our JavaScript folder, create another folder called React, and inside of it I will create a file called home.javascript. This will be I don't have the extension, but this will be a normal React component. So I will import from React itself and the use state. Then I will import from rsuite the button component, and also I will import the CSS. So rsuite dist styles, then go to rsuite, let me copy the name, then -default.css. Now I will export a default function. We'll call it home. You don't need to name it now, but yeah. So I will use a state called that like this, and I will destruct the state, and the function I will call it use state. Sorry, that's Slack. Now return a DOM, so main, and here I will have an h1 where I will display the state.name, and I will use the button from rsuite. Appearance will be primary, and the text inside of it will be output primary as well. Oops, so this should be set to state, right? I mean, you can name it whatever you want. This is destruction and array. But yeah, so this is it for this. Remember, I'm exporting this. So let's go to our main. We need to import a couple of things in our main. We need to import React DOM. You can name it anything from React DOM. I'll make these capital. I like them to be capital. So and also you need to import from React. Only React. You need to import the React itself, but before the React DOM. And at the end, I will use the React DOM to render the home component that I created, which I need to import. So import home from, go to React, then home, and go and render that. as you can see, like this. Now document.get element by ID, I will call it container. Let's go to our index.html and let's remove this. This is the underscore CDN, we don't need it. I'll create a section or a div with the ID of container, and this will be empty, and this will go and inject this component inside this HTML. So let's now npm run bundle. Should be fine, but my machine is really slow. So let's go, let me run this with live server. Oh, I need to remove this, but as you can see, we have it. We can use React now. It's really simple if you think about it. You only need to just install Babel preset environment and babel preset react, have this rule inside your module, define your entry points, and done. You can use React now. So this might be a simple for simple projects you might create. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you.